Pass. See him on the valve, get back to you. You want him in? Pass. Pass. Come and get an in.
Le quatuor final. Villeneuve aussi avait été victime d'une sacrée sortie de route, c'était il y a 48 heures environ, mais plus de peur que de mal, c'était acquis. Il reste moins de 4 minutes avant le départ de ce grand de Belgique.
I mean, I'm very, very happy. Obviously, it was a great day for Jordan. 1-2 is a fantastic result. We were strong all weekend, and it was a very exciting race. I'm absolutely delighted. I'm really quite lost for words, actually.
The trophy presented by Rick Scully, Senior Vice.
Well, I'm very happy, obviously, especially for the whole team and for us. I mean, we had a very bad start in the season and we had a very difficult start. So it all turned around now. Suddenly we're first and second, with a bit of luck, we must admit, but I think we had quite a strong performance. Just struggled a bit towards the beginning of the race with the wrong tyre choice, but then it went quite okay. And well, after the safety car where we were together, we just settled. Us as 1 and 2, Damon 1, me 2, but we had to keep pushing a little bit because obviously Jean was pushing us.
For the team, it's unbelievable because this season we never saw such a level of competition in between cars. Always many cars finish, and we have so many problems to get points. So in this condition, we had this possibility to get these important points, really important for the team, and I'm extremely happy.